Hello everybody, today in front of me I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro 5G smartphone, and let me show how you can set the Opera as your default browser on this device. So the first way to do that is through the general settings app. So let's open it. Here look for the apps and notifications category. At the apps and notifications category you gotta search for the default apps. At the default apps choose the browser app. And basically all that is left to do is to select Opera, and that will ultimately mean that we have successfully set it as our default browser. And the second way to do it is, to go directly to the Opera application, open it. Here at the bottom right corner, tap on this Opera icon, go for the settings, scroll down until we stumble upon the default browser section, tap on it, click on next, and here just select Opera and tap on set as default, and that will also mean that we have successfully set the Opera as our default browser. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!